In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI, a crucial tool for developers working with Salesforce environments. The Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI, allows you to perform various tasks like setting up projects, testing, and deploying apps, all through command line instructions. This makes it an invaluable asset in automating workflows and improving your efficiency. Let's dive into the installation process. First, you'll want to start by simply typing Salesforce CLI into your preferred internet search engine. This is the first step in accessing the resources you'll need for the installation. Type in the search and press enter. You'll see a list of search results appear on your screen. Next, look for the official Salesforce CLI link in the results. It should appear near the top. Click on this link to navigate directly to the Salesforce Developer Tools page, where we will download the CLI. You'll notice several options for downloading depending on your operating system. For this tutorial, we are installing on a Windows x64 system. On the Developer Tools page, locate the option for Download for Windows x64 and click on it. This will start the downloading process for the appropriate setup file, which will ensure compatibility with your Windows operating system. While the download is proceeding, let's take a moment to understand what Salesforce CLI can do for you. The CLI is designed to streamline many operations in your Salesforce development processes. You'll be able to automate numerous tasks such as pulling down metadata, migrating data, and running tests. This is especially beneficial when managing multiple Salesforce orgs or when working as part of a development team, enabling everyone to work faster and more efficiently. Once the download is complete, open the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Salesforce CLI. Generally, you'll be clicking Next a couple of times and confirming the license agreement. After successfully installing, you'll want to familiarize yourself with basic command line operations if you haven't already. This knowledge will empower you to leverage the full potential of the CLI. So now you have successfully downloaded and installed Salesforce CLI on your system. As you begin using it, keep in mind that the Salesforce CLI helps to integrate third-party tools as well, allowing you to further extend its functionality. This can include popular development and collaboration tools which many teams use daily. Thank you for tuning in to this instructional guide on setting up Salesforce CLI. With this tool in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient and efficient in your Salesforce development efforts. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and resources. Until next time, happy coding!